Hi everybody! In this video, we will walk through how to run a dropshipping website using Shopify step by step. Whether you're new to e-commerce or just curious about how to get started, this guide will help you understand everything you need to know to launch and manage your own store using dropshipping. I have mentioned a link in the description for you to try Shopify for just $1. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products on your website without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer buys something, the order is sent directly to a third-party supplier who ships the product to the customer for you. This allows you to start a business with lower upfront costs and fewer risks. Shopify is one of the best platforms to do this because it's easy to use and has many tools that help you manage your store. First, you need to create a Shopify account. Go to shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. You'll be asked to enter your email address, a password, and the name of your store. Shopify will guide you through some setup questions. These include whether you're already selling, what industry you're in, and your location. Fill these out honestly. Once you finish this setup, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, you need to start building your store. You can begin by choosing a theme. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store, then click on Themes. Shopify offers free themes and paid themes. If you're just getting started, choose a free theme like Dawn. Click Customize to open the theme editor. This is where you'll design the look of your store. You can add your logo, change colors, choose fonts, and set up your homepage layout. Now let's talk about how to find products to sell. Since you're dropshipping, you'll need to connect your store to a supplier. One of the most popular apps for this is called DSers, which connects you to AliExpress suppliers. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for DSers, and click Add App. Follow the instructions to connect DSers to your Shopify store. After that, create a free account with DSers. Once your account is set up, you can start importing products from AliExpress. In DSers, go to the Find Products section. Use the search bar to look for products you want to sell. Focus on items that are low cost, lightweight, and have a good number of orders and reviews. These are more likely to be reliable and to sell well. When you find a product you like, click the Import button to add it to your import list. Before pushing the product to your store, click on it inside your import list to edit the title, description, images, and pricing. Try to write your own product descriptions instead of using the ones from AliExpress. Make them clear, simple, and focused on what the customer needs. Also, set your prices with a good profit margin. A common rule is to sell the item for about 2 to 3 times the cost. After editing the product, click Push to Store. Now it will appear in your Shopify products section. Repeat this process for as many items as you want in your store. Now that you have products, it's time to organize your store. Go to Products, then Collections. Create collections like best sellers, trending products, or specific categories like home decor, fitness gear, or tech accessories. Assign your products to these collections to help customers find what they're looking for. Next, set up your pages and navigation. Go to Online Store and then Pages. Create pages for your About Us, Contact Us, Shipping Policy, and Refund Policy. These pages help build trust with customers. Then go to Navigation to set up your main menu and footer menu. Add links to your product collections and to the pages you just created. You'll also want to customize your homepage to highlight your most important products or collections. Use the theme editor to add featured products, image banners, and promotional text. Try to keep your homepage clean and simple. Focus on making it easy for visitors to understand what you sell and why they should buy from you. Now, let's set up your payment gateway so you can accept payments. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, then Payments. Shopify Payments is the easiest option if it's available in your country. You can also connect PayPal and other providers like Stripe. Follow the instructions to activate your payment methods and enter your business and banking details. Next, set up your shipping settings. Go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Since you're using dropshipping, you'll likely be using standard shipping rates from your supplier. You can set flat rates like free shipping or standard shipping for a small fee. You can also include shipping times in your product descriptions to set the right expectations for your customers. Shipping from AliExpress usually takes between 10 and 20 days, depending on the supplier and location. Before launching your store, test your checkout process. Go to your store like a customer, add a product to the cart, and go through the checkout steps. Use Shopify's test payment gateway to place a test order. This helps make sure everything is working as it should. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works, it's time to buy a domain. You can do this through Shopify by going to Settings and then Domains. Search for a domain name that matches your brand and is easy to remember. After you buy it, Shopify will connect it to your store automatically. You are now ready to launch your store. Remove the password protection from your site so the public can visit it. Go to Online Store, then Preferences, and scroll down to Password Protection. Uncheck the box and save. Now let's talk about how to run your store day to day. When a customer places an order, you'll get a notification in Shopify. The order will also appear in DSers. You need to go into DSers, review the order, and click Place Order to send it to your supplier. The supplier will ship the product directly to your customer and update the tracking number in DSers. DSers then syncs the tracking number back to Shopify, so the customer receives it automatically. Customer service is an important part of running a dropshipping store. Be ready to answer questions about orders, shipping times, and returns. Check your email regularly and consider adding a contact form or live chat to your website. Try to respond to messages quickly and helpfully. Even though you don't ship the products yourself, your customer still expects good service. To grow your store, you'll need to market it. One of the most effective ways is through paid advertising. Facebook ads and Instagram ads are commonly used to drive traffic to dropshipping stores. Start with a small budget and test different ads. Create short videos or image ads that show your product in use. Focus on the product's benefits and include a clear call to action. You can also use TikTok, Pinterest, and Google Shopping. Influencer marketing is another good strategy. You can send products to influencers in exchange for reviews or promotion. Just make sure you track what works and improve based on what you learn. As you get sales, keep an eye on your analytics. Go to the Analytics section in Shopify to see your traffic, sales, and customer behavior. Use this data to understand what's working and what needs to change. You might find that certain products sell better than others. Focus on what sells and remove what doesn't. It's also a good idea to follow up with your customers. Use email marketing tools like Shopify Email or Klaviyo to send thank you messages, ask for reviews, and offer discount codes for future purchases. Building relationships with your customers can lead to repeat sales. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and constant learning. You will face problems like slow shipping, product quality issues, or supplier delays. But by staying organized, helping your customers, and improving your store over time, you can build a profitable business. Keep testing new products, updating your store design, and learning about your customers. Look at your competitors and see what they're doing well. Join e-commerce communities or follow online tutorials to keep improving. To summarize, running a dropshipping store through Shopify involves setting up your store, finding products through DSs and AliExpress, designing your website, setting up payment and shipping, and then marketing your products. Once you start getting orders, manage them through DSers, provide good customer service, and keep growing your business through testing and optimization. Stay patient, be consistent, and focus on providing value. If you do that, your dropshipping store can become a long-term source of income.